these are the dry ingredients that I put in first. Cornbread, flour, bread, and rubbed sage. And then I just take my hands and crumble them and mix it all together. Okay, now I've added the cream of mushroom soup, the egg, and the sauteed celery and onions. I sauteed that in a tablespoon of butter. And then we're just gonna mix it up. And I'm probably gonna have to get in it with my hands. And then after that comes the tricky part, putting the broth in. Okay, now I'm just mixing it with my hands till I get the soup and the egg and the sauteed vegetables mixed up. Now I'm gonna start adding chicken broth, and Grandma didn't say how much chicken broth, so it's always a guess. But out of this box, I add, I don't know, I'm guessing about 3 cups usually. It's 32 ounces, and I usually have a cup left, or around a cup, to make gravy with. I'm still adding broth. I usually make it to where it kind of runs off the spoon, and I'm not there yet. I usually add a little bit more than that, but I think we're about there. It's always a guess, but you don't want dry dressing. So if I err on the side of making it a little moist, and we can always leave it in the oven a little while longer. Sun on my face, the wind at my back. Oh, that's about getting about there. Following my Savior, the one who set me free from a place where I was to where I want to be. And then I just pour it in the pan and cover it and put it in a 325-degree oven for 2 hours. And that's it. From a place where I was